Every time I get the opportunity to tell somebody, it's like, come to Goodstart Madora Bay. It's such a great place and it's been so good for us. I always highly recommend Goodstart Madora Bay.
Madora Bay is a very welcoming environment. We allow the children to come in, they're met with a wide, happy face. They're allowed to explore freely, and we're setting them up not just for school, we're setting them up for life.
Goodstart Madora Bay has an incredible team and they are so warm, welcoming. I'm so proud to be part of such a dedicated and caring team.
It's a very supportive team. Everyone's really, really kind, and it doesn't really matter where you've come from. Everyone treats you the same, and it's a really respectful, kind environment.
Daycares usually have a higher turnover of staff, but there have been so many staff that have stayed. They've all just been so consistent.
With the consistency of staff and a long-standing staff, the children feel safe and secure because we are all the same and we've been here for a very long time.
The consistency is so important at Early Child Centre for the children to build the security and also feeling safe.
I love how they teach through play. I think it really helps with a lot of the sensory experiences for them.
Here at Madora Bay, our outdoor environments are set up so it matches indoors. So if a child wants to read, they can read inside or outside. So all children, if they are an outside child and love the outdoors, they can still do indoor stuff outside.
We also have quite a few animals here. So we have our chickens, we have our rabbits, and we have our birds. And we feed them every day and change their water. I think it allows them to understand living things and understand their environments and habitats.
I love Goodstart because it's just been so great for our family. There's just been so many different things. One time my daughter cried so much because the watermelon didn't come in the delivery and Donna went out and bought watermelon for her. Just those little tidbits of things that you really appreciate, that they make you feel special and like you're part of the family here. It's just so heartwarming.